Hi guys, it's a Sunday and it's a fun day, and I'm here with my sister in law, my sweetheart. Her name is Anu, and today she is going to cook Pav Bhaji for us for brunch. And I'll try and help her if I can at all. Bye bye. Okay, so our ingredients are here. Anu, how do we start? What is this? How much is potato?
Potato half kg,
Okay,
tomato,
boiled and mashed. Okay,
tomato half kg,
okay,
French bean 250 grams,
250. Okay,
uh, onion 250 grams,
250. Okay,
uh,
this
garlic 50 grams,
is 50 grams. Okay,
ginger 50 grams,
these are both grated and finely chopped or whatever you call it.
peas 250 grams, capsicum 250 grams,
250.
or carrot 250 grams.
Carrot is more. Is it 250? Are you sure? Okay, 250. This is cauliflower.
Cauliflower 250 grams.
250. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Everything here, and all this goes into my cooker. So there she is, lighting up the gas. Hi Anu.
Hi.
Okay, so are you gonna pour oil or anything? Oil?
Nothing.
Oh my god, she is my sweetheart. She takes so much care of me. There is no oil at all. Can you beat that? Okay, so are you gonna boil all this, Anu?
Yes.
Okay. There, she's pouring everything into the cooker. Be careful, girl. She has lowered down the ignition. So that it does not burn. Okay. Smart girl.
And 2 tablespoons
Of salt. Okay. 2 big. Show me the spoon, Anu. Okay, that is this spoon. Okay. So she's the one who takes care of us. No salt, no oil, no sugar, of course. And she's putting in the capsicum also. So 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and all the vegetables, right, Anu? Okay. And now she's pouring what? The French beans. And now the peas. Oh. Okay. Here we have our virgin olive oil, 2 big tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Yeah, that's what she's saying, 2 spoons, big spoons. And now guys, this is gonna be a serving for say good 8 to 10 people. That's the reason we're taking everything so much in quantity. And here, this is the garlic, which is ready. In goes the garlic, all of it, of course. Wait for it to start turning brown, golden brown. And once that is done, we pour in all the chopped onion into the pan and mix them thoroughly. And again, wait for these things to be turned into golden brown again. And on top of that, we pour 1 large spoon of turmeric. and stir it well. And once this is done, we pour in one large um, can or tub full of tomato puree into this mixture once it is turned golden brown. There goes the large tumbler full of tomato puree, and we mix all this really well. And wait for it to get cooked up. Our vegetables are ready. We had to boil them, just give one pressure, and the vegetables are already cooked up. Don't forget, we've already added salt to them. We have our buns ready here. Yeah, harvest gold buns, and the initial paste is ready. We have to wait for the vegetables in the cooker to cool down. And once this is done, we also pour the grated ginger. Mix it all in. The vegetables anyways have to be mashed together. Now we put all of the vegetables into the puree and ginger garlic mash. Once that is done, we again mix it up all together. Now our bhaji is getting ready, nice and thick, and I think it's a little too thick. Here we're adding the mashed potato, boiled and mashed and grated potato. Guys, I'm not a cook at all, so whatever is happening, I am just trying to narrate things to you. It's somebody else who's cooking. It's Anu who's cooking. She thinks the paste is a little too thick, so she's gonna pour in some water. She's taken a lot of it. Okay, she says she's gonna use 1 glass. There goes a glass of water, so that everything becomes a nice, good um, mash. There goes another one. So we're having fun. She and me, we're having fun. We're expecting some guests. So we're trying to make some things, some Pav Bhaji and things. Now this is some special masala that she gets from store 24. That's what she calls it. I guess, yeah. You would get it at any store. You would also get it in more. So this is called SDS. Half of it she has already used up before, whenever she must have made pav bhaji. So half of it, a little more than half of it, is left, which she's using here. Yeah, she's emptied the entire packet, the entire half, a little more than half packet, into the pan. And the best part here is, she says she's not going to use any other masala, no red chili powder, no coriander powder, nothing at all. So just salt, turmeric, and this SDS Pav Bhaji masala. And of course, all my lovely greens. So we'll wait until this comes to a boil. This is looking super yummy, isn't it? Okay, so we cut the buns into half so that you can what do you call them? Do it on a pan. You put some butter and then you put them in the pan, heat them up. They become a little crispy, and my mouth is watering already. This is the super bulky butter. And there's a fact that we need to talk about. Oh, that was Scott. That was my sweetheart. He saw something happening and then he ran away. I'll introduce you guys, him to you guys someday, and you would fall in love with him. We are partners in crime. So we're talking about butter. Someday, if you really want to know what secrets butter has, and I promise you, you'll stop eating butter after I tell you all that. So if you really want to know, ask me in the comment section, and I'll tell you what is wrong with butter. So we're just putting just a little touch of butter where that she's applying on the pavs, so that they become nice and crispy. I can't wait to eat. The bhaji is almost done. Look at it steaming. So guys, the Pav Bhaji is ready. The Pavs are all ready, and we also have the Bhaji ready with a little drop of butter on top of it. So here we come to the end of this video. If you liked watching it, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Till then, you take care of yourself, and I love you. Anu says bye.